Hey, it's Jason Waters with your Mortgage Minute. I want to talk to you briefly about your credit score. What does it mean? Why is it so important? Why is it different when your lender looks at it versus when you look at it? So let's talk about that first. If you go on like one of the popular sites called Credit Karma, and you compare that to what your lender sees, typically your rate that you see is going to be higher, and that's how FICO is calculated. I don't think it's a fair way of doing it because I believe in transparency in this business. I believe people should know what their score is, and it should be the same score. But those aren't the rules we play by. So we play by the rules that we're given. So how do we play? How do we help you the most to get your lowest rate, whether you're shopping for a home or shopping for a vehicle or even a credit card? First of all, a big percentage of your credit score is based on your outstanding balance on your credit cards. So your goal needs to be to hopefully you pay them off every month, but if you can't, keep them each under 30%. So that means if you have 4 cards, you have 5 cards, each one under 30% of the total. So that has a big factor on your credit report. Another thing, paying on time. I know that's obvious. I know most of you do that anyway, but pay on time, even if you're pushing it, like it's better to pay when it's due, but there's the 30-day window. Make sure you get paid by that, before it's 30 days late, because that's when it really starts to hurt. So pay it earlier if you can, but pay on time. Finally, something just came across my screen here about credit lines that someone just sent me. So if you have old credit lines and you say, I have this credit card, I don't need it, I don't use it anymore, there is no reason to close it. It only hurts you to close revolving debt. So don't close revolving debt because it just lowers your availability. You don't have to use it, just don't close it. Finally, one other thing, if you have collections, paying them off is not the best thing to do in all cases. The only you want to pay them off, there's a couple scenarios. One, a lender makes you do it in order to get a loan, or 2, they agree to totally remove that collection from your file. Listen carefully, that it is totally removed from your file. Not that it's satisfied as paid, not that it's made current, but that it goes away. If it doesn't go away, then that becomes a problem and it becomes a more recent transaction and it actually hurts your credit. So those are a couple tips I wanted to give you today. I have some credit counseling folks I'm happy to introduce you to. Reach out to me and I'll make that connection. Again, it's Jason Waters, 404-403-8787. Or you can always email me, jason@watersteam.co. Until next time, stay safe.